Nice Michael Custom Cruise. Okay, this is how we sealed the tank. As you can see, rubber glove finger. Basically just cut one off. Okay, on here, thick stuff like this, thick gloves. Okay, when that's pulled tight, these will obviously go into the threads because they're tight. Sorry, these will go into the threads because they're tight. And also, obviously, the tape will then hold it on because the weight of the fluid in there might well push it off. So what we've done, we've stretched it over it, which I can't do single-handed, obviously. And then the tape makes sure it doesn't come off. See, that pulls it in. It works great. Now, the tank obviously has been got all this fluid in it, and now the last of it, all this fluid coming out. Like I said. So we're letting all this drain out. As you can see, perfectly and absolutely bang on inside. Can't fault that. Just now needs rinsing out, and this tank is done. We've just got to add the tank sealer, and once the tank sealer is added, that's it. Simple as that. Like I say, this is the stuff we use. This is a very, very powerful acidy phosphating stuff, whatever it is. Mix that with water, 10 to 1. And away you go. CustomCruisers.com 01773 835 666. Thank you.